Hey, you gonna do that again?
Hey, what's up? It's 850. My name is Bump. They call me Hoss.
We just missed the show.
I know.
He body slammed himself.
But they call me Hoss. Representing Niceville.
Niceville, Florida.
850. That's how we do. That's how we do. That's how we do around here.
Hit it one more time.
On a Saturday night. That's how we do around here, man.
Oh my God, nigga.
Straight like this way, baby. See all that nasty.
All right.
Fucking right. 850 Saturday night. That's how we do. And that's how we do around here.
Cut the music.
There it is. There it is. Woo!
Don't quit. We got the video camera out now. Delete them.
Yeah, don't quit now.
Oh, damn.
Y'all's asses on YouTube.
I'll let somebody put it on YouTube.
850.
What'd you say? YouTube.
YouTube.
Hey, you are on rednecksgonewild.com.
Oh, shit.
That's right.
That cowboy.
Let's see the boots. Hell yeah. She's walking into the scene. How you doing?
Good.
You want to tell everybody what's up? You on the internet right now. We're putting you on TV.
Pick them all, go.
That's right.
850.
Look out, this so much to splash you with the damn floor.
Niceville, Florida. 850.
Yeah.